Cowling Part 2. I scoop most of the styrofoam from the inside, then I route out the glass to desired shape. I wear a mask. It does get pretty messy. I switch it up to a rounding bit to get a nice and even radius. Then I cut through the rest of the foam with a knife. I give it some more shape without cutting into the radius, and I final shape everything with a round file. I make sure that I do it gentle so the foam doesn't get damaged. Now it's time to lay the glass. As always, I prepare the pieces before the layup. I work them in one by one, making sure they overlap. It takes around 3 to 4 layers to build sufficient wall thickness. The epoxy that I'm using is mixed at 2:1 resin to hardener ratio. It is not a polyester or vinylester epoxy. Those would melt the styrofoam. It's ready to cure now. At last, I scoop the rest of the foam out. I trim the inlets with Dremel. That's all for today, and more coming soon.